Welcome back to Tech Guys, where we bring you the latest in the world of technology. Today, we'll look at unique and quirky products inspired by movies and TV shows. Hogs Star Wars Millennium Falcon XL. Do you want to pilot the iconic Millennium Falcon from Star Wars? How do you feel about flying a miniature version of it? The Hogs Star Wars Millennium Falcon XL is a 27-inch drone that can be launched in your own backyard. It has a 250-foot range and weighs 3.8 pounds. The drone also has authentic lights and sounds to help you get into the spirit of your favorite franchise. You can get it for just $150. Neutron Bike. How about that bike from the film Tron? Would you like to experience riding that bike? The Neutron Bike has made that possible. Initially, the vehicle was powered by a Suzuki engine, but developers later switched to an electric propulsion system powered by a lithium-ion battery, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. The bike is available in 3 models: the standard Neutron for $55,000, the Silver Edition for $65,000, and the Platinum Edition for around $75,000. The latter is a limited edition and of only 25 copies per year. 7-inch flying Delorean. Although hoverboards are amazing, this is the most iconic symbol of the Back to the Future movie, the Delorean. And now anyone can purchase it, although on a 1 to 20 scale. A terrific gift for movie aficionados, the model is 8.5 inches long and flies over a magnetic station. It has 2 different wheel types for use in normal and flight modes. The scale vehicle has automatic doors and an LED lighting 30 different settings and can illuminate a room at night. This scale car costs $307. LEGO DC Superheroes app-controlled Batmobile. Which movie car is the coolest? The Batmobile. And the LEGO DC Superheroes app-controlled Batmobile is a fantastic tiny replica. The model has 2 Bluetooth-controlled battery-powered engines, an opening cabin for the minifigure's all-wheel drive, and 2 machine guns. The Batmobile stands more than 3 inches tall, 7 inches long by 5 inches wide. To use all of the capabilities of this toy, you must first download an app from the App Store or Google Play. You can get the toy for only $170. Andaseat Marvel Collaboration Series. What does a true video gamer require? Of course, they'll need a nice, comfortable chair in which to do their heroic actions in virtual reality. And with this, the most recognizable aspects from the Avengers are used in the Andaseat Marvel Collaboration Series gaming chairs. There's a model based on the Spiderman universe and will blend in seamlessly with other Spider-Man technology. However, the most popular option is an Iron Man themed chair set that comes equipped with a headboard, neck pillow, and backrest. Price starts at $399.99. First Order Stormtrooper Robot. Stormtrooper Robot utilizes augmented reality to let you play as the First Order in the comfort of your own home. A special program allows the user to deliver spoken directions in first and third-person view. The robot also has vocal control and can directly follow your command. Create a database and use facial biometrics for individual interaction to educate it to recognize faces. Furthermore, the Stormtrooper can just guard a specific part of your property. Price starts at $79.95. Rick and Morty Rick's Ship USB Lite. Allow the mad genius Rick Sanchez to illuminate your desk with his spacecraft. Aside from being a fun keepsake, it's also a useful disk light that fits into any USB socket, making it ideal for work or study. It features a flexible body that allows you to guide the ship's light where you want it. The cost of this lamp is approximately $20. R2-D2 Interactive Money Bank. No one can secure your money from you better than the Star Wars robot. This interactive piggy bank operates in a very straightforward manner. You fund the robot with your money and create a password in the app. You won't be able to access the robot without a password after that, and your money will be saved from another impulse buy. You can make an initial investment of $52 to get this money back. Star Wars Death Star Waffle Maker. Darth Vader built the Death Star to destroy planets, but the story might have been different if he had built it to produce waffles. This is a waffle maker shaped like the Death Star from Star Wars. A light display tells you when to pour the batter and when the waffles are done, and the adjustable settings allow you to make light, fluffy waffles or darker, crispier waffles. The cost is approximately $40. Bicycle Horn of Gondor. This bicycle horn comes in handy whether you're fighting a battle or riding along a crowded sidewalk. It is inspired by Boromir's Horn of Gondor and makes a 110 decibel sound that no one can ignore. The cost is approximately $30. Phone Thrones. What kind of throne would the characters of Game of Thrones battle for today? Of course, one with wireless charging. These attractive stands are made to fit phones of all sizes and models, whether Android, iOS, or Windows. There are 3 different Game of Thrones inspired models available. The first and most basic choice is a standard charger in the style of a little seat with a cord to connect to your phone. The second choice is a compact charging station made of metal alloy with a rubber covering and a theme print. The third choice is a lovely tiny seat that quickly charges your phone without the usage of wires. Price starts at $84. Party Harry Potter Coding Kit. Programming and magic are comparable in several ways, and this kit allows you to merge the two. The plastic wand is attached to your computer or tablet through Bluetooth and has an accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer to track your position in space. However, before you can cast its spell, you must develop a program to do it. To do this, there are numerous blocks in the program, commands that must be combined in a specific order, and if done correctly, you may control items with your wand just like in the movies. The package costs $100. Spiderman Hand LED Wall Light. A wall lamp styled like Spider-Man's head or hand is an excellent way to decorate the bedroom of a young fan of the franchise. This type is relatively tiny, easy to mount at the wall, does not heat up, and is entirely safe. Inside the lamp, LED lights are utilized, and the amusing 3D print with cracks around it adds to the enjoyment. The price is around $30. Wearable Bumblebee Helmet. The Wearable Bumblebee helmet is a modular helmet with sound effects built in. Normal and battle modes are available. You can alternate between them with a voice command or a remote control. This helmet also offers an eye backlight mode and warns the user when the battery is running low. A unique signal is used to determine the battery level. The cost is approximately $80. Noble Collections Harry Potter Remote Control Wand. Who wouldn't want to be in the wizarding world, where anything can be solved with a magic wand? You won't be able to duke it out with a remote control wand, but you will be able to operate your household appliances. All it takes is 3 button presses to program the wand, and you'll have an unconventional remote control for practically any device, including TVs, Blu-ray players, and audio systems. The wand can learn up to 9 motions, and you'll wow your pals by demonstrating that magic isn't limited to Hogwarts. The cost is $59. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our Tech Guys channel so you won't miss all the new videos that come out every other day that are all about tech news and reviews from some tech guys. Check you out next time.